My name is Flora Eley and I'm from Zimbabwe. I'm 65 years old and I've come to the Wockhardt Hospital in central Mumbai in India to have a double knee replacement, and tomorrow marks 1 week. Had both done in the same operation in one process on Wednesday morning. So I was put in touch with the representative of the Wockhardt Hospitals in Bulawayo, Zimbabwe, Vijay Mehta, and he facilitated my journey. He was incredible. He sorted out visas, suggested routes, suggested airlines, and he was there at the end of the phone anytime that I needed any help or any questions to be answered. Oh yes, I saw the video of Mary Walker. She's a fellow teacher from Bulawayo. Jackie Smith, I think, has just recently been here. There are a lot of people in Bulawayo who have been here and have had surgery and procedures that have been fantastic. Since arriving here at the Wockhardt Hospital, I've had amazing service. The exciting thing was getting off the aeroplane at the airport and there was somebody waiting for me, a personalized driver who collected me and my husband from the airport. We were registered and kindly received by Jeev and Hina, who we call minders, who have been at our disposal at any time and have helped us with anything, answered any questions, and have always been on hand.
I'm Dr. Mudit Khanna, Consultant Joint Replacement Surgeon at Wockhardt Hospital, South Bombay Unit. She was suffering from osteoarthritis affecting both her knee joints. When she came to us, we discussed with her at length the available options of treatment, explained to her that the final solution to the problem lies only in a knee replacement surgery. The risks and possible complications were explained in detail. She chose to have both knees replaced at the same time, and therefore she underwent a bilateral single-stage total knee replacement. The surgery went uneventful. No complications happened during the procedure. She made an excellent recovery. She was up and about on her feet on day 1, and gradually, with the help of physiotherapists, mobilized well enough. I think she discarded the walker within a few days after the surgery.
The staff, right from the doctors, the specialists, have been absolutely amazing. They have been caring with an underlying sincerity. Must be the Indian culture of gentleness and kindness. And I would certainly advocate anybody, anywhere in the world, to come here. You've got nothing to fear in this part of the world. And my surgeon has been incredible. Dr. Mudit Khanna has performed unbelievable surgery on me. I cannot tell you how incredible the care was within the theatre. It was just amazing. There were so many people around taking care of me. At any point, there were at least 2 people attending, whether it was my blood pressure. I am absolutely blown away with the miracle. I feel it's a miracle of what's happened here.
The most amazing thing for me has been to see my wife pain-free for the first time in 10 or 15 years. Flora's knees have been troublesome for all this time, and to see her pain-free and smiling and happy and strong, and to have rehabilitated so quickly has just been the most amazing and most awesome experience for me in this last 2 weeks.